So in this problem, we are asked to use Laplace transform to solve the IVP, the first order differential equation y prime plus 5y equal sine t, and y of 0 equals to 1. Clearly, this is a first order linear differential equation, so we can use the technique of solving first order linear differential equations to find y of t. But the question is not about solving the differential equation, it's to use Laplace transform. So most likely this problem is about testing us and testing our knowledge of how to use Laplace to solve differential equations. Okay, so we're going to use Laplace then. So we have Laplace of y prime plus 5 Laplace of y equal Laplace of sine of t. Laplace of y prime, this is s Laplace of y minus y of 0 plus 5 Laplace of y equals Laplace of sine of t. Since y of 0 is equal to 1, and let us put this term with this term, we will find s plus 5 Laplace of y minus y of 0, which is 1, equal Laplace of sine of t, which is from the table 1 over s squared plus 1. So now a little bit of algebra will give us s plus 5 Laplace of y. Let us take minus 1 to the other side, it becomes plus 1 over s squared plus 1, and then divide by s plus 5. So this will give us 1 over s plus 5 plus 1 over s plus 5 times s squared plus 1. So we have two pieces. One of them is easy to find, its inverse Laplace. So now we have to find inverse Laplace. So we know that the inverse Laplace of 1 over s plus 5 from the table, that is e minus 5t. So the one that we need to worry about is the inverse Laplace of 1 over s plus 5 times s squared plus 1. For that, we're going to use the partial decomposition technique. We know that this is a over s plus 5 plus bs plus c over s squared plus 1. So I would leave it to the listener to go ahead and do the to freeze the picture and to go ahead and find a, b, and c. So the answer is a is equal to 1 over 26, while b is minus 1 over 26, and c is equal to 5 over 26. So now we continue. So this is, I'm sorry, I forgot the inverse Laplace. There was an inverse Laplace of all this. So one piece here is easy, is this one. But now we have to focus on this one. So for that one, so we have inverse Laplace of 26, 1 over s plus 5. And for the other one, we will divide s over s squared plus 1. And then, so it's minus 1. And then plus 5 over 26, 1 over s squared plus 1. And the reason is because s over s squared plus 1, that is just cosine of t, the Laplace of cosine t. Well, this one is the of the sine of t, Laplace of the sine of t. So the answer is 1 over 26 e minus 5t minus 1 over 26 cosine of t plus 5 over 26 sine of t. Therefore, if I put everything together, I will find that y of t, the solution is, if I put the two pieces together, the first one was e minus 5t plus 1 over 26 e minus 5t minus 1 over 26 cosine of t plus 5 over 26 sine of t. Or if I put together the e minus 5t, I will find 27 over 26 e minus 5t minus 1 over 26 cosine of t plus 5 over 26 sine of t.